Yes, you may have all your degrees, but the man with power, even though he didn't go to school, ordinary elementary 6 or WAEC, he makes a law, makes a decree that makes your certificate useless. So politics is important, and it is really a pitiable situation in this country where the people that have knowledge, wisdom, the people that have understanding are relegated to the background, while idiots, fools rule over the wise. You see, the Bible says when the blind lead the blind, both of them will fall into the pit. It's natural. We accept that. Correct. When the blind lead the blind, both of them will fall into the pit. That is natural. But what will you say when the blind will lead those who have eyes?